Okay, this is a test I'm going to be doing where I test the pistol crossbow using both the proper bolts and a series of improvised bolts and see which works better at bleeding out a water container. Now, I'm guessing that the regular bolts are going to be better, but I'm interested in seeing how well the improvised bolts do against each other. So we have a selection of pencils, a blunt pencil here, and 2 sharpened pencils and 2 pens. And I want to see if this improvised, really easy to acquire bolts do a good job. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start shooting from roughly about 4 yards. Those are the proper bolts, and as you can see they make quite big holes, so now I'll start using the improvised bolts. First we have a blunt pencil. That just broke the pencil. Now we have a sharpened pencil. That fell short. That didn't work. Now we have another sharpened pencil. That worked fine. Now we have a pen. That broke on impact. Now we have another pen. I think that one fell short. Okay, let's see what it did. Right, if I get that lid off and let's see what's happened inside. Okay, we've got a little bit of water left in the bottom. If I tip that forward, that should all come out. Okay, so this proper bolt worked fine. This proper bolt worked fine. And this pencil worked fine, but it's taken the lead out of the end. So, with improvised bolts, the pencils seem to work better than pens because they weigh a bit more, and ideally they'd have to be at roughly the same length as a bolt. So the proper bolts work better, but that one pencil did work okay. Obviously if you can get hold of the bolts, do that because they're quite cheap and they're much more reliable. But the pencils will work.